Sasa tunasema namna hii. Okeng'o Joel Nyambane ni kijana wenu. Watu wa Nyaribari Chache, wacha niwaambie ukweli. Huyu kijana ni kijana mtol, ameumbika vizuri na Mungu na ndiye atawasaidia. Mimi nataka kuwaambia leo kwa sababu yale maneno yote ambayo yanafanya kwa makanisa, kwa watoto ambao hawajiwezi, kwa wamama, kwa vijana wa bodaboda, ameonyesha ya kwamba ni kiongozi shubafu. Ama namna gani wa mama? Ande wango tebaiga abantu baitoka muranche omumuroyo bwesokiri igakoro Okeng'o Joel Nyambane igata gitekerogo kyobubunge bwa Nyaribari Chache. Muri tiyari? Asoka usitasoka. Acha usitacha. Ngomo bwada simuri? Okeng'o asoime? Ime. Bunge ime.
Samarieta Dr. Henry Onge Sembe korwa Kiombu Ward. Omweshimiwa Okeng'o Joel Nyambane tari obisi lakini onyari ekolika abana Kenyaga orera abana chinse chiesiko bang'eire koimoki uchumi ya Kenya iguru ng'akirenda araso obisi onyokorira aya tari abisi araja obisi amagende otako bamange mono nainde ebe botuko nonya sasa babotuko neba saa sita anytime iwage simikwa manyora amatanga chipiri abakonya basinyirunya gitari oretire emebereyo abarwaire wakanire chipiri ebiremo bakanire ayonsi ngakitogoteba esama gendera Nyaribari Chache no mwana ole ne chinguru ole bwango okomyoka bwango aye guri baga 2027 amagendera amange narorekane kobwa yitoroje bono ige togo sabatwensi abangina nabagaka naendo oyo Chenisi oyo nereke gorikie ino nere mobwene mobwatesie esobora yo buya esabana orokia mentorship and korokina bono abana na barabutika baigwo bugambi tiganya samo bwatesie na togo sabonsi akorekese litali Yesu Kristo motori.
My names are Nelson Nyakundio Nchiri. Mheshimiwa, even though you didn't give me votes, but this time I'm fronting somebody. Kwa ufupi, we have CDF in Nyaribari Chache, but this CDF is in shambles. For example, schools infrastructure is some classes are in pathetic states. Some constituencies we have properly constructed classes, but in Nyaribari Chache we are still having issues. Sometime there was diaspora jobs, kazi za majuu. Some of our parents paid Honorable Jhanda money for these guys and girls and boys to go sana Qatar and Dubai. They paid, including medical charges. This money just disappeared and nobody ever went to those jobs. CDF management in Nyaribari Chache, it is in problems. Vote heads are never known. They have never been indicated, and for example, security vote, environment vote, nothing is talked about. The only thing we have in Nyaribari Chache, and commonly praised by our honorable MP, it's about rice, blankets, beans, and mattresses. And all these are properly labeled, not for sale. Rice is always in or written for everybody to see. They leave food. They eat sugar, they leave food. Rice, they leave food. Beans for hardship areas. My fellow Nyaribari Chache people, let us grow and vote somebody in the name of Okeng'o Nyambane who can help us. Thank you and God God bless you.